Morning all. Today's topic is frequency telemetry. I, Salim, assistant professor in Kite Group of Institutions. Here is the introduction of frequency telemetry. In modern instrumentation system, components of the system are located at a distance. It is my telemetry. It is necessary to transmit measured data from one location to another location. Telemetry is the science of measuring data at a distance. We already discussed. It is used in commercial, industrial, military and space operations. It is the introduction about what is telemetry. Now, in frequency telemetry, measured magnitudes are represented by an alternating current or voltage of varying frequency. Means in frequency telemetry, the variable frequency is our measured quantity. Small variable capacitor is mechanically attached to the shaft of an instrument. Capacitor is electrically attached to the oscillator circuit. Output frequency varies according to the instrument reading. Here are some examples of variable capacitors. How it look like: variable area based and variable distance based. Now, in frequency telemetry, here is the block diagram. I want to measure pressure. So for pressure measuring, I am using bellows, Bourdon tube, barometer, diaphragm, manometer, etc. Here is the example of C-type Bourdon tube. In this, as the pressure increases, so it will goes from here to here as pressure increases in C-type Bourdon tube, and over here my variable capacitor is attached, so it gives me variable frequency. So when it gives me variable frequency, there are signal conditioners, amplifiers, filters or multiplexers and modulators. These are the part of signal conditioners. Then it will be transmitted by a transmitting antenna through a wired channel or wireless channel. In this case, I am using wireless channel. At the another end, we have a receiving antenna. Receiving antenna receive the signal, and over there are signal conditioning elements like amplifiers, filters, demultiplexers, demodulators, etc. And then we got the output of in terms of frequency, variable frequency. The varying frequency is transmitted to receiving end over a channel, or channel may be wireless or wirelessly. Channel can be wired or wirelessly media. At receiver ends, this varying frequency operates a direct reading frequency meter calibrated in the units of quantity measured at transmitting end. In our case, the frequency is calibrated in terms of pressure, but nowadays incoming frequency control the magnitude of proportional direct current or voltage. Magnitude of proportional direct current or voltage. It is not in terms of pressure, flow or etc. Disadvantages of frequency measurement in telemetry system is capacity of channels offered is less. In this case, here are some applications of frequency telemetry: remote pressure reading, fuel oil monitoring, LPG tank monitoring, water level monitoring, remote meter reading, remote speed reading, etc. Thank you.